A dishwasher is a kitchen machine that cleans dirty dishes automatically, saving time and water while doing the hard scrubbing for us. Inside the door, a dishwasher uses several important parts working together like a small cleaning factory. First, you place plates, cups, bowls, and utensils on racks so water can reach them from all sides. Then detergent goes into a special dispenser. When the cycle starts, the machine fills its base with a measured amount of water and heats it to the right temperature. A pump pushes this hot water through spinning spray arms. These arms have tiny holes that act like nozzles. As water rushes out, the arms spin and spray dishes from different angles. This is why a dishwasher can clean many items at once without anyone scrubbing each one by hand. The detergent helps break down grease and stuck-on food. Hot water loosens dried stains, while the strong moving spray washes the dirt away. Some dishwashers use sensors to check how dirty the water is and adjust the cycle time. That helps save energy and water when dishes are only lightly soiled. After washing, the machine drains the dirty water out through a hose. Then it may rinse the dishes with fresh, clean water to remove any leftover soap. In many models, a heating element, or hot air, helps dry the dishes. Some dishwashers also use a fan or a special drying system that pulls moist air away. A dishwasher must also stay safe. A door latch keeps it sealed during operation, and filters catch food particles so they do not clog the pump or spray arms. Some models have water softening systems too, because hard water can leave spots on glass and dishes. The whole process follows a careful pattern: fill, heat, spray, drain, rinse, and dry. Each part has a job, just like workers in a factory line. By combining heat, pressure, detergent, and motion, the dishwasher turns a pile of messy dishes into clean ones with very little effort from people.